I can't lie, shorty, I fuck with you different, shorty. I love you different. I can't lie, shorty, you drive me crazy. It ain't nothing in this world that I wouldn't do for you. When I'm looking in your eyes, I feel I'm on the moon. I need a dose of your love fed from a spoon. Yeah, I love a little different, baby, I'm a goon. The way I'm drinking from your water, thought I was a loon. The way I'm licking on your body, got you in the mood. When I don't give you dick, you catch an attitude. Grip your neck, smack your ass, turn you to a pool. Put you face down in the pillows while I devour you. Gotta fuck you slow, cause we gon' fuck an hour too. I wanna hold you by your neck while I'm stroking you. Pull it out, eat your pussy just like soul food. I know that nigga did you wrong, but that's your old dude. I know you really want some love, so I'ma show you. Can I fuck you to some music, baby? I'm old school, but I wanna walk you into some rose petals. Beat that pussy up, daddy get the gold medal. That's why I look you in your eyes, because you very special. That's why I fuck your body, then your mind is intellectual. You never had a nigga from the streets, I'm from the ghetto. I wanna see you dialed up, walking in stiletto. I wanna fly you out the country, I could show you better. You never fucked a gangster nigga, I could get you wetter. Yeah.